Hello viewers, today we will see the solution of class 8 maths CBSE RS Agarwal. In last class we have solved some questions and the rest is here. Our next question is arrange the following rational numbers in ascending order. Here our first set is 4 by minus 9, minus 5 by 12, 7 by minus 18 and minus 2 by 3. Here we see that in denominator here and here we are having minus symbols. So we can write it as minus 4 by 9, minus 5 by 12, minus 7 by 18 and minus 2 by 3. Now we will take LCM of 9, 12, 18 and 3, which is 36. Now minus 4 by 9 into 9 fours are 36. So we will multiply it by 4 is equal to minus 16 by 36 minus 5 by 12 into 3 by 3 is equal to minus 15 by 36 7 by minus 7 by 18, we will multiply it by 2, we get minus 14 by 36 and minus 2 by 3 into 12, we get minus 24 by 36. So we can write it as minus 24 by 36 is less than minus 16 by 36 is less than minus 15 by 36 is less than minus 14 by 36. That is minus 2 by 3 is less than minus 4 by 9 is less than minus 5 by 12 is less than minus 7 by 18. This is the answer. Our second set is minus 3 by 4, 5 by minus 12, minus 7 by 16 and 9 by minus 24. Come to the solution. First we will see minus 12 and minus 24. So we can write it minus 3 by 4, minus 5 by 12, minus 7 by 16, minus 9 by 24. Now take the LCM of 4, 12, 16 and 24, which is 48. Now come to the term minus 3 by 4 into 12 by 12. We get minus 36 by 48 minus 5 by 12 into 4 by 4, we get minus 20 by 48 minus 7 by 16 into 3 by 3, we get minus 21 by 48, and minus 9 by 24 into 2 by 2, we get minus 18 by 48. Now we can arrange it in minus 36 by 48 less than minus 21 by 48 is less than minus 20 by 48 is less than minus 18 by 48. That is minus 3 by 4, minus 7 by 16, minus 5 by 12, and minus 9 by 24. Our third set is 3 by minus 5, minus 7 by 10, minus 11 by 15, minus 13 by 20. Now come to the solution. Here it is minus 5, so we can write it as minus 3 by 5, minus 7 by 10, minus 11 by 15, and minus 13 by 20. Now by taking LCM of 5, 10, 15 and 20, which will be 60. So now the term will be minus 3 by 5 into 12 by 12 is minus 36 by 60, minus 7 by 10 into 6 by 6 is equal to minus 42 by 60, minus 11 by 15 multiplied by 4 is equal to minus 44 by 60, minus 13 by 20 into 3 by 3, we get minus 39 by 60. Now all these terms are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will arrange it. We get minus 44 by 60 is less than minus 42 by 60 is less than minus 39 by 60 is less than minus 36 by 60. That is minus 11 by 15 is less than minus 7 by 10 is less than minus 13 by 20 is less than minus 3 by 5. This is the answer. Our fourth set is minus 4 by 7, minus 9 by 14, 13 by minus 28, minus 23 by 42. Here also we see that denominator is in minus. So we will write it as 4 by 7, minus 9 by 14, minus 13 by 28, and minus 23 by 42. Now we will take the LCM of 7, 14, 28 and 42, which is 84. Now our term will be minus 4 by 7 into 12 by 12 is equal to minus 48 by 84 minus 9 by 14 into 6 by 6 is equal to minus 54 by 84 minus 13 by 28 into 3 by 3 is equal to minus 39 by 84 minus 23 by 42 into 2 by 2. We get minus 46 by 84. Now we can arrange it as minus 54 by 84 is less than minus 48 by 84 is less than minus 46 by 84 is less than minus 39 by 84. That is minus 9 by 14 less than 4 by 7 minus 4 by 7 is less than minus 23 by 42 is less than minus 13 by 28. Our next question is, arrange the following rational numbers in descending order. Our first set is minus 2, minus 13 by 6, 8 by minus 3, 1 by 3. Here we see that denominator is in minus, so we will first arrange it as minus 2, minus 13 by 6, minus 8 by 3 and 1 by 3. Now we will take the LCM. LCM of 1, 6, 3 and 3. Here, because there is nothing in denominator, we will consider 1. So our LCM is 6. Now our term is minus 2 by 1 into 6 by 6 is equal to minus 12 by 6. Minus 13 by 6 into 1 by 1 is equal to minus 13 by 6. Now minus 8 by 3 into 2 by 2 we get minus 16 by 6. 1 by 3 into 2 by 2 we get 2 by 6. So our term will be 2 by 6 is greater than minus 12 by 6 greater than minus 13 by 6 greater than minus 16 by 6. That is, our term was 1 by 3 greater than minus 2 greater than minus 13 by 13 by 6 and greater than minus 8 by 3. This is the answer. Set is minus 3 by 10, 7 by minus 15, minus 11 by 20 and 17 by minus 30. Here we see that these terms are negative sign in denominator. So we will write it as minus 3 by 10, minus 7 by 15, minus 11 by 20 and minus 17 by 30. Now take the LCM of 10, 15, 20 and 30, which is 60. Now we get the number minus 3 by 10 into 6 by 6 is equal to minus 18 by 60. Minus 7 by 15 into 4 by 4 is equal to minus 28 by 60. Minus 11 by 20 into 3 by 3 we get minus 33 by 60. Minus 17 by 30 into 2 by 2 we get minus 34 by 60. So our number will be minus 18 by 60 is greater than minus 28 by 60 is greater than minus 33 by 60 is greater than minus 34 by 60. That is now we write in the question terms. Minus 3 by 10 is greater than minus 7 by 15 greater than minus 11 by 20 is greater than minus 17 by 30. This is the answer. Our next set is minus 5 by 6, minus 7 by 12, minus 13 by 18 and 23 by minus 24. Here also we see that the denominator is having minus symbol. So we will write it as minus 5 by 6, minus 7 by 12, minus 13 by 18 and minus 23 by 24. Now take out the LCM of 6, 12, 18, 24. We get 72. Now our number is 5 by 6 into 12 by 12. It gives minus 60 by 72. Minus 7 by 12 into 6 by 6 we get minus 42 by 72. Minus 13 by 18 into 4 by 4 we get minus 52 by 72. Minus 23 by 24 into 3 by 3 we get minus 69 by 72. Now we will arrange it. We get minus 42 by 7 is greater than minus 52 by 72. Minus 60 by 72 is greater than minus 69 by 72. That is minus 7 by 2 is greater than minus 13 by 18 is greater than minus 5 by 6 is greater than minus 23 by 24. This is the answer. It is minus 10 by 11, minus 19 by 22, minus 23 by 33 and minus 39 by 44. Now we will take the LCM of 11, 22, 33 and 44, which is 132. Now our number will be minus 10 by 11 into 12 by 12. We get minus 122 by 132 minus 19 by 22 into 6 by 6 we get minus 114 by 132 minus 23 by 33 into 4 by 4, we get minus 92 by 132. Now minus 39 by 44, multiplying it by 3 by 3, we get 117, minus is here, and by 132. Now we will arrange it. We get minus 92 by 132 is greater than minus 114 by 132 is greater than minus 117 by 132 is greater than minus 120 by 132. That is minus 23 by 33 is greater than minus 19 by 22 is greater than minus 39 by 44 is greater than minus 10 by 11. This is the answer. Our last question is, which of the following statements are true and which are false? First one is, every whole number is a rational number. This is true. Second one, every integer is a rational number. This is also true. And the last one, 0 is a whole number but it is not a rational number. This is false. That's all. This is the end of exercise 1A. We will see other solutions in our next video.